out what caused that giant sinkhole to open up in downtown Indianapolis yesterday. That crater at Ohio and Penn has been attracting crowds of onlookers. We've got Mary Mills joining us live downtown with the new info. So, Mary, what caused that sinkhole?
Well, Scott, just in the last half hour, we got an update from Citizens Energy, and they say what happened here was a collapsed sewer line that's at least 100 years old, about 15 feet below the surface. Now, we were told that they were able to identify that problem, the source of the collapse, by placing a camera deep within that hole. Again, this was first reported about 3:30 yesterday afternoon with the intersection closed and blocked off for several blocks in each direction. Typically a very busy intersection, but of course with the holiday, traffic has been lighter than usual, but yes, drawing a lot of curiosity. Now, that spokesman from Citizens told us that the fix is complicated given all the other utilities beneath the surface, but he said they're just glad that they finally identified the problem and can begin fixing it.
What's happened here is we have a sewer line that has collapsed 15 feet below the street. These are brick sewers, so they're more than 100 years old, and we've had a failure on a 24-inch diameter line that connects to a 54-inch diameter sewer line. So what's going to happen here is our crews are going to excavate the street here, which will take a significant amount of time. We're expecting that this intersection will be closed for the remainder of today and probably into tomorrow.
And you can see the sinkhole there in the center of the intersection, and in order to make that repair, they're going to have to excavate and create a hole that's about 20 by 20. So that's going to take a lot of work, and again, they're hoping that it is reopened by tomorrow, but it could take longer. They will, however, be working 24/7 to get that done. And again, Scott, you can see lunch hour. We've got people out and about still wondering what's going on and how long is it going to take. One other point of good news, he said, is that all the utilities in the area should remain intact while they do this work.
And in the meantime, I know a lot of
that's good news.
Yeah, I know in the meantime, a lot of folks will be looking for detours to get around that sinkhole. Mary, thank you.